to my channel. Today I am sharing with you guys how I've whitened my teeth. So many of you guys have been asking me, what do you use to whiten your teeth? What do you use to keep your teeth white? I've had that question asked for a really long time, and it's been kind of a struggle for me to try to find that product out there that actually works but doesn't kill my teeth in the process. I used to go down to my dentist and get the little vials of teeth whitening gel. They were not only expensive, but they would kill my teeth. My gums would be so sore. Even if I only used a little bit of product, I would still get it on my gums and it would still make my gums hurt so bad. And then my teeth would be sensitive to cold, hot, whatever for a couple of days. And it almost made it to the point where I didn't want to whiten my teeth as much. It's just miserable. Yes, you do get really fast results, but it's miserable. I feel like my teeth have gotten more sensitive as I've gotten older. So a couple of months ago, a brand reached out to me and wanted me to try their products. It is hismile, and said, hey, we're getting ready to do a new formula. I want you to try the old formula, and then once the new formula launches, I will send you the new formula. So that's exactly what they did. I tried the old formula. When you get your kit, it comes like this. And you get the light, the trays, and the 3 syringes. You use it for 6 days straight for 10 minutes each day. And they also give you this card. It will kind of give you a little bit of a guide to where you know that your teeth are changing and you want to see that change. You know, go around and say, okay, like I started here and now I'm here. I also took before and afters, which are going to be a little bit shocking. So hismile reached out, they sent me the new formula, and I love it so much that they are actually sponsoring this video. I'm so grateful to hismile for sponsoring the video, but they did. I love the new formula, you guys. Like instantly, within the next day, I was like, dang. The old formula, it took a couple of days to see results. With the new formula, it is like, bam, you see results almost immediately. Once you have the light and the tray, then all you need is this, you know, the refills, which the refills come like this. So you get 3 syringes. There's 3 things that I love about this teeth whitening system. Number 1, it's not painful at all whatsoever. I mean, remember, you're doing it 6 days in a row. My old formula, I would have no teeth, or I would not be able to talk for a month after that. Like my mouth would be unbelievably sore. This, you can do it for 6 days in a row and then you stop. So the thing that I love about it is not only does it work, but number 2, the light shuts off on its own. You guys, it has a timer on it. It's a 10-minute timer and it just shuts off. It's fabulous. So not only did they do new gel, like a new improved formula, they also included a smaller tray just so that it forms to the mouth a little bit better. So I do feel like the new tray is a little bit more comfortable than the old tray. So all you do is stick it down inside here, take your syringe, you know, put the gel on the top and the bottom so that when you put it in your mouth, both of the top and bottom of your teeth are covered. And then you turn on the light and the light goes off on its own. It's amazing. I love it, you guys. I think that's my favorite part about it, but whatever. Anyway, it's just so easy, so simple. I do it, you know, while I'm doing my hair. I do it while I'm in the bathtub. Easy, simple, 10-minute every single day for 6 days, and then you're done. Now, you could do this once a month. You could do it every other month. It depends on, you know, if you're drinking a lot of coffee, because again, your teeth are not going to stay white forever. I mean, that's the bad about it, is that once you get them to be white, you're like, well, I don't want them to go back yellow again, you know? Whether you're a coffee drinker, I'm actually a tea drinker. I drink tea every single night. So tea is my, yeah, like I'll have a glass of red wine every once in a while, but tea is definitely the thing that I feel like will change the color of my teeth. When I first started this, I was around here and I thought my teeth were pretty decent white when I first started. So I was between the, I would say I was between like maybe the 5 and the 6. And then now, like, I'm closer to the 1 and 2. I can't believe that I got my teeth that white. You can see in the before and afters, up here on the screen are my before and afters, and you can see a clear difference. between when I started and when I finished. Some of you guys are probably going to ask, what's the difference between the old formula and the new formula? The updated formula contains a new active ingredient that is PAP. I will put the word right up here because I have no idea how to pronounce it. It is proven not only to whiten teeth as effectively as a traditional whitening ingredient, but also has been shown to be non-damaging to the enamel and does not cause any tooth sensitivity. So that's what they introduced into the new formula. So they've also included hydroxyapatite to strengthen teeth over time, as well as potassium nitrate for an immediate sensitivity protection. Our formula has the perfect blend of science and nature. Our new formula still contains the natural botanicals, extracts of aloe vera, chamomile, and pomegranate. These not only assist with plaque control and have healing benefits, but are anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Peppermint essence has also been included to reduce gingival inflammation and also gives the gel a pleasant taste. It gives a little bit of peppermint taste, but it's not super strong. But this is something that I have fallen completely in love with. This will be something that I will continue to buy. You know, even though they sponsored the video, even though they sent this to me for free, I'm going to continue to buy this because I've noticed my teeth are so much wider. And, you know, my teeth are my issue, you guys. I had braces for, you know, as a teenager, and I lost my retainer like a couple, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago, I lost my retainer. And since then, my teeth have started to shift. It's something that really bothers me, especially down here on the lower part of my teeth. So that's been something that kind of aggravates me. And I'm like, okay, if my teeth are going to be crooked, they can at least be white. You know what I mean? So even though that is something that bothers me, that they're crooked and they're not as straight as I would like them to be, like when I see people that have these beautiful, straight, white teeth, I'm just like so jealous because that is something that I would love to have as my teeth straighter. If I can't have my straighter, you know, perfect teeth, I want them to at least be white. I want this bright smile. And this has been something that I've absolutely loved because it gives me the bright smile. It doesn't make my teeth feel painful and miserable. And I can just do it once a month for 6 days straight and I'm done for the month. And my teeth will be white and beautiful and I love that. Now I am going to be buying a set for my husband and my son and my daughter because you know, that was one thing that my children both hate about whitening their teeth is the pain sensitivity of it. My husband also has really, really sensitive teeth. This will be perfect for him. But I just appreciate hismile for allowing me to really try it and, you know, really get to know the product before ever introducing it to my followers. That's something that's very, very important to me. And they were so good about it. And after I told them, yeah, I really, really love this product, they're like, well, we'll sponsor your video. And I'm like, cool, thanks. So anyways, I would have brought it to you guys, even if they were not sponsoring the video, I would have brought it to you guys anyways, because I do really like this brand. And if you're like me and you've been looking for a really good teeth whitening system, then I think you'll really, really enjoy this. I do like the new gel versus the old gel. I think the old gel worked, but I think the new gel is definitely new and improved, and teeth really got whiter quickly after using the new formulated gel. But yeah, I love this. I'm definitely going to be buying some kits for my kids because they are going to love this. They also offer Afterpay, and I love that. I love Afterpay, you guys. I know, it's so stupid, but I love Afterpay. And that's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I will leave all of the links to the information on the products in the description box down below. Thank you so much to hismile again for sponsoring this video, but I would have talked to you guys about this product even if they were not sponsoring this video. I do want to make that clear. I am not doing this because of a sponsored video because it's not that big of a deal, but I do really, really do like this teeth whitening gel. I think it's a really good program, and I love that I can do it for 6 days and I'm done for the month, and I love the way my teeth look, and I love that it's not sensitive and I can do it every day in a row and I don't have to remember like writing down, okay, well today I wrote, you know, today I did it, so I can't do it for 3 more days. If you guys have been through the teeth whitening thing, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. I love that I can do it for the 6 days straight. I know when I'm going to start and when I'm going to stop, and that, you know, it's a timer. It's just a really easy easy procedure, very easy to do, very beautiful smile when you get done. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I love you all so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day filled with love and joy. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, and I love you all so much. Bye.